Initiating simulation 054. High tide incoming. 66 million years ago, a rock the size of Mount Everest hit Earth. But what if its trajectory shifted by just a fraction of a degree? Instead of hitting the shallow, sulfur-rich rock of Mexico, it hits the Mariana Trench, the deepest water on the planet. The impact displaces millions of cubic miles of water. It creates a mega tsunami. We aren't talking about a wave 100 feet high. We are talking about a wave 3 miles high. This wall of water travels at the speed of a jet airliner. It completely swamps the continents, scraping away forests, dinosaurs, and topsoil right down to the bedrock. In our timeline, the asteroid caused a freezing global winter. But deep ocean rock has no sulfur. There is no ash cloud. Instead, there is steam. The impact vaporized the ocean. Water vapor is a massive greenhouse gas. The glitch triggers a hyper-greenhouse effect. The Earth doesn't freeze, it boils. Global temperatures skyrocket to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The surviving dinosaurs on high ground roast alive in a global sauna. Evolution pivots entirely. The Earth becomes a hot, humid water world. Mammals never get their chance. Giant marine reptiles and amphibians inherit the Earth. Simulation result. You are only here because the rock hit the shallow end. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.